Alrighty, we're back again. Looked outside my doorstep, got another box from Solaris Japan. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is my first quarter scale figure. So we're gonna, at least for now, we're gonna crack it open from the box. This box, anyway, shipping box. And just take a quick look at it, see what it's about, and we'll do an opening. You know, I'll shoot another video where I actually open it up, do an unboxing of the actual figure, and kind of give my 2 cents, my thoughts on it. And this is a used figure, and kind of been having my eye on it. Thought it was a really cool figure. Again, I have no ties to the characters as far as the anime or whatever. I just liked it. It was a cool looking figure. It kind of called my name, and that was it. So, got some bubble wrap. Let's go ahead and set it down here so I can pull it out. And it is what I thought. It is a quarter scale figure. Alright. It's nicely bubble wrapped. And I had a speed ship put on this one. I got tired. Most of my stuff is a slow mailing way of doing things, but sometimes I'm just tired of waiting that long. So I decided, man, I want this one a little sooner. And I still got the man, hold on. Just cut it open. Fighting it. Alright. Whew. Okay. Bam. We got Takao. I don't know. Yeah. Got the Takao quarter scale Bikini. So my other quarter scales will be bunnies. This is the Bikini one. Yeah. Of course the bottom is just plain. So I'd say right now it looks like everything seems to be intact. And I'm gonna tell you what, just first glance, man, this thing's pretty big compared to any of my other figures, and that's without even pulling it out the box. This is it's gonna be neat, man. Cannot wait to pop this open and put it beside some of my other figures, and yeah, this is neat. I like this. We'll unbox this at a little bit later time and do a review on it. I'll cut this video here. We'll splice on another video in probably a day or so from now, so that'll be the reason why I may be wearing different clothes. Be like, what the hell? Nah, that's what it is. I'm gonna be shooting this opening at a little later time, splice it with this. So until then. Alright, a couple of days have already passed since I pulled Takao out of the shipping box, and we're going to go ahead and unbox this figure all the way and put her on the 360 and see what it's all about. Oh my god. Yeah. Couldn't do it right away. I had to take my scooter to the repair shop, have it looked at. Guess I done ran that Harley a little harder than I should have. Hey man, that's what it's about though, man. Having fun. Getting out there and ripping. Oh my god. Now this is, as I said before, this is a used figure, so we shouldn't need a knife or anything. All the tape should already be cut. Put this the heck out the way. Alright. They must have taped it. Where the hell's my knife? Where's my knife when you need it? Wait a minute. Right there. But put the buck on it, baby. Alright, throw that buck away. Okay. Alright. There it is. Missed one. Oh, okay. Gotta pull the base out. Looks like the hair's a separate piece there. Kind of like, I guess, the Mikus. Their hair pieces are in separate deals. All right. And let's open up this base. See what we got. Oh man. It's got 3 pins. Oh, it's got 3 pins. That's fairly solid and got a little weight to that base. Plain black, 3 metal pins. Alright, I'm gonna set that down right there. Yeah. She's pretty tall. What the hell, Bobby? What is up with all the... Oh, okay. Man. What the hell, man? I'm not into all this plastic. Oh, Lord. Okay. Alright, quick first glance. I do not see anything that would concern me about this being a used figure. Okay, we'll just set her in my lap for just a second while we pull out this last hair piece. Jesus, more plastic. Alright, there you go. There you go. Woo! Okay. Oh, dogs. Oh, bummer, man. This thing was not supposed to be broken, and that hairpin is broken. Oh, wow. 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 That pisses me off. Because this thing was supposed to be, you know, a 4.5 star, no broken pieces. And yet it's broken. Wow. So that's where did I get that? I got this from Solaris Japan. And they sent it broke. When they said it wasn't broke, even though it's a used figure, they said it wasn't broke. And it's broke. Wow. So now I got to figure out how to fix this thing. Yeah. That's quite disappointing. Quite disappointing. Yeah. So I guess I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to repair that. I guess that'll be another video. Wow. Very disappointed in Solaris Japan. Well, kind of looking at her anyway. You know the look, man. You see it all the time. When you're at the swimming pool or something. The beach, you know. The girl's got to reach back there and straighten up them britches. Right? You know what I'm saying? It happens a lot. So I like that they captured that moment in time. So, anyway. So I get this thing repaired.